Hey everyone, and welcome back to Techno Tutor TV. There's nothing more frustrating than trying to send an important WhatsApp message only to see that dreaded message not sent error or an endless waiting for message notification. These issues can completely disrupt your conversations, but don't worry. Most of the time, they're simple to fix. In this video, I'll guide you through the most common solutions to get your WhatsApp messages flowing smoothly again in 2025. Let's get this sorted. 1. Check your internet connection. The vast majority of WhatsApp sending and receiving issues are related to your internet. WhatsApp needs a stable connection to work. Toggle Wi-Fi mobile data. Try turning your Wi-Fi off and then back on. If you're using mobile data, do the same. Sometimes, simply resetting the connection can resolve temporary glitches. Airplane mode trick. Turn on airplane mode for about 10-15 seconds, then turn it off. This often forces your phone to reestablish a fresh network connection. Test other apps. Open a web browser or another app that uses the internet, like YouTube or a news app. If they're also not working, your internet connection is the problem, not WhatsApp. Router modem restart. If you're on Wi-Fi and still having issues, try restarting your home router or modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. 2. Restart WhatsApp app. A quick app restart can often clear up minor software hiccups. Force close. WhatsApp. On Android, go to your recent apps list, usually by swiping up from the bottom or tapping the square navigation button. Find WhatsApp and swipe it away to close it. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher, find WhatsApp, and swipe it up off the screen. Reopen. Now, just reopen WhatsApp and try sending your message again. 3. Restart your phone. If restarting the app doesn't do the trick, a full phone restart can often resolve deeper system-level issues that might be affecting app functionality. Power cycle. Turn your phone off completely, wait about 10-15 seconds, and then turn it back on. 4. Clear WhatsApp cache. Android users. Over time, apps accumulate cached data which can become corrupted and cause performance problems. This step is primarily for Android users. Go to Settings, open your phone's Settings app, find Apps, tap on Apps or Applications. Select WhatsApp, locate WhatsApp in your app list and tap on it. Storage, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Clear Cache, tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your messages or account. Clear data. Use with caution. There's also a clear data or clear storage option. Only use this if all else fails, as it will log you out of WhatsApp and delete all temporary files, requiring you to re-verify your phone number and potentially restore your chat history from a backup. 5. Check for WhatsApp server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end, but with WhatsApp servers themselves. Down Detector. Visit websites like downdetector.com and search for WhatsApp. This site collects reports from users and can indicate if there's a widespread outage. Social media. Check platforms like X, Twitter, for WhatsApp down trends. If many people are reporting issues, it's a server problem, and you'll just need to wait for WhatsApp to fix it. 6. Update WhatsApp app. You might be using an outdated version of WhatsApp that has bugs or compatibility issues. Keeping your app updated is crucial. App Store, Google Play Store. Go to your device's App Store for iOS, Google Play Store for Android. Search for WhatsApp. Find WhatsApp in the search bar. Update. If an update button is available, tap it to install the latest version. 7. Check your device's storage. If your phone is critically low on storage, it can affect app performance, including WhatsApp's ability to send and receive messages or download media. Check storage. Go to your phone's settings and check your storage usage. Free up space. If your storage is nearly full, try deleting old apps, large videos, or photos you no longer need. 8. Reinstall WhatsApp, last resort. If all else fails, uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp can resolve deeply rooted problems. Backup first. Crucially, ensure you have a recent chat backup to Google Drive, Android, or iCloud iOS before uninstalling. Go to WhatsApp settings, chats, chat backup, uninstall, delete the WhatsApp app from your phone, reinstall, go back to your app store, download WhatsApp, and then proceed with the setup, restoring your chats from your backup. By systematically going through these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most message not sent or waiting for message issues on WhatsApp. Don't let communication hiccups slow you down. If this video helped you fix your WhatsApp, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Techno Tutor TV for more quick tech solutions. Have you ever had a message stuck for ages? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.